Hello everyone, this is Sredna and this is my website. So this website is called Glorious Fudge and it's all about the candy confectionery known as fudge. So on the site you can sign up or you can log in if you've already created an account. There's also a customer support tab that you can click on to contact customer service. At the top here, there is a link to go to see all the fudge that is displayed and be able to interact with the database behind the scenes. Also on the front page is the history of fudge, and you can read more information by clicking on the link. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up here. Type in all the information, click register, and then it says thank you for creating an account, and then it displays your account details. Going back to the home page, you can type the information in and then click login, and then you can save it or not. And then it says welcome. So currently this is the login information is not linked to a database, but that is something that I would definitely work on in the future. I would have the credentials being validated behind the scenes, and then also it would display then the customer account information along with like order history and their address and saved credit cards and things that you would typically see on your account page. Back to the home page, here's an aside that has the history of fudge. I found a story where it said the person who was originally selling it was from Baltimore, Maryland, which is where I'm from, so that's pretty cool. And then over here it takes you to Wikipedia, which gives you more information about where fudge came from. At the bottom here is a customer support button. So I will fill in the information to contact customer support. And then I will ask them, when is the pumpkin flavor coming out? So that's really popular around fall. Click send message. Your message has been sent. Thank you. And then if I click on the fudge page over here, it shows me a table that is being directly displayed from a database in MySql that shows the fudge products available. And from here you can edit, you can delete, you can do searching on the table, or you can add some new ones. So all the CRUD operations are being dealt with here. So let's say I wanted to change the price of this vanilla fudge. And I wanted to increase the price because, supply and demand. And then over here, vanilla has been updated. And then let's say I wanted to delete this pistachio flavor because it's not so popular. I would click delete, then it would just confirm the information, and then yes, I want to delete the fudge. Then at the top, say I'm looking for any fudge that has chocolate flavor in it. So I would look at the table, and now it is only displaying chocolate, chocolate mint, and white chocolate, all of the fudges that have the word chocolate in there. And then if I want to add a new flavor, I could say maybe like a wine one, like Merlot. That would be interesting. It's a little pricey. I'm going to click add fudge, and then at the bottom of my table, they have added the fudge flavor. It's 4 ounces in weight, $8.99 price. And then I can go ahead and edit and delete that just like all the other fudge products that I've been doing. If I don't want to, I can always return to there. So this would be something for like a database person to be handling behind the scenes, but it would be nice for them to have like an interactive GUI to work with. So that is my website. Now I will show you the code. So I used ASP.NET. I also used Razor syntax using C#. I used database like MySql. I also used JavaScript for some validation. I used HTML, CSS, also Bootstrap for styling. So lots of different tools all working together. So in my app code folder, I have my Fudge class. In the app data folder, I have the Fudge database, and I can show you the table data over here. So here's all the flavors, so here's what the user's interacting with on my website. In my CSS folder, I have the styles page. In the images folder, tons of images here. In my JavaScript folder, I have the validation going on for when they're like registering an account, like making sure all the information they entered is good, because we do not like dirty data in our database. In the account page, I have a welcome to your account once you log in. In the add fudge, this is where you can insert a new flavor. So you insert the name and the weight and the price, and then that gets added to the database up here. In the customer support page, this is where someone can write a message to customer support using that form. And in this delete fudge page, this is where a fudge will be removed from the database. In the edit flavor, this is where a fudge that already exists in the database will be edited, like their name or their weight or their price. In the fudge file, this is where the whole table is being displayed. When you click on that tab, fudge tab. And then on the index page, this is the landing page for the whole website. So where you can log in, or you can read some more information, or go to different tabs. On the register page, this is where the user creates their account. And then on this is the confirmation, so it outputs the information the user entered right back out to them, and it uses cookies to store those variables. And there's one more thing I wanted to mention. In the shared folder over here, this is where the layouts and the header and footer are displayed. And so whenever a page is clicked on, that page gets inserted into the body, and then it gets rendered there. And so, so it just cuts down on code and makes it look a bit better by not having to, retype things so much more. So lots of maintainability and reusability going on, and efficiency. So yeah, there's my website and the code, and I hope you liked it. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.